Hi viewers, what's going on? I'm John Omorui. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about 5 important secrets you should never keep from your partner. So if you want to see videos like this every day, then click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Secrets have a way of bringing or tearing loved ones apart. In essence, it's okay to cut down on openness in a relationship from 100% to somewhere in the region of 90% or so. And here's the reason. Some people really just can't handle the truth. It does not make them bad people or bad partners. They're not just wired to be calm or stay sane in the face of certain revelations. But no matter how bitter some situations are, keeping them away from your partner will only ruin that beautiful thing you had. There are some secrets that you should never hide from your partner, especially when they could prove damaging to your relationship. Here are some of those secrets you should stop hiding. Number 1. Your medical information. When you get into a relationship, your medical history matters a lot. In fact, it's one of the things that people use to decide if they're willing to have something serious or whether someone's medical state is too much for them to handle. You should let your partner know about chronic conditions like asthma because they will be the ones to help you when something happens. Other conditions like HIV, AIDS, and STDs such as herpes need to be talked about even before you start dating. Number 2. Your relationship expectations. Relationships easily break because of mismatched family goals. Some of them might have been inevitable, but there are many that would have survived if there was better communication. An example is when your partner doesn't want kids but you know you secretly do. Don't try to say something just to make them happy because they need to know what your real perspective is. Number 3. The child or children you have. People who decided to hide the fact that they had kids from past relationships eventually regret it. It reflects poorly on your character, and it's also neglectful for you to do that as a parent. If you have children, just mention it and don't keep those details hidden because the truth will eventually come out one day and it will not end well. Number 4. Major career plans. Dating or getting married means that your lives and goals merge into one. Your career moves will have an impact on each other, so this isn't something to hide. For instance, if you know that you're planning to move to a new country for work or school, let them know early. It's not fair to just mention it when you've already decided and started planning for it, or when you're in the last stages before relocating. Number 5. All your relationship fears and worries. Stories where a wife or husband suddenly commits suicide are very frightening. Psychological problems can remain hidden for a long time until one day something happens. Worries about anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, or other mental health concerns should be communicated so you can get the help you need. Thank you for watching. If you have any contribution or questions, kindly drop it in the comment section of this video. Let's show you how to do it.